welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for April of 2020. I know, I'm still behind, still catching up, but at least once this is filmed I can start using the products in there. So I'm kind of trying to barrel my way through unboxing all the things so I can start using all the things. So, our little card, the full bloom one, hashtag Ipsy full bloom. Mother Nature's finest work? You! It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state. Curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. We've got our little listy of things and values and info. So I've got that. The stuff's valued at $120 plus, and the suggested retail price of these things, I did go through and add them up beforehand, and it adds up to almost exactly $120. So there is that. So here's the bag itself. It's very cute. It's like this little seafoam green version of the regular Ipsy Glam bag for the month, which was like this very mauve-y tone. Very cute. I like this one better personally, but I'm more of a blue person, even though I guess this is technically green. Close enough. I'm counting it as blue. So, we got the bag. I've also got a bonus item this month because I redeemed points, and this is a Context matte lipstick in Sweet Emotion, which, truth be told, I mostly caught because of the Aerosmith song reference. Not sure how I feel about the color in person. It may be a little too dark. It's very brownish. I thought it was more red on the website, but I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't know. But, anyway, that was my bonus item. Now, for the stuff that actually was part of the main glam bag itself. We've got this tube of Sella by Celine Tadrisi Cream Rose, the very best cream rose. 4 ounces. From seed to skin. Deliciously aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water. Oh my god, my faves. And enriched with Canadian botanicals, kupuaku butter, and Abyssinian oil. I hope they don't mean the cat. This velvety body cream hydrates and softens skin. Now, truth be told, this packaging feels literally fragile. It feels so thin. I've never had a lotion tube feel quite so delicate before. So I'm hoping like hell it's not going to split during use or anything. But, let's see. Oh, it's got a little foil thing. I wanted to smell it really badly too. Let's open her up carefully, because I'm so nervous about accidentally puncturing this or anything. You have no idea, guys. Let's get it open. Oh, that is lovely. This isn't a review video for it, but I will do one. But ooh, so far that smells really good. I knew it would by that description, but ooh, careful, careful, careful. Oh my god. It wrinkled it just from that little itty-bitty bit of pressure to twist the cap back on. That makes me hella nervous about it potentially falling apart on me. Oh boy. Okay, well, since a little bit squirted out, guess that's permission to have a little bit on my hands to see the scent. Oh, that is so nice, though. It's worth the delicate nature for the niceness of how it smells. So its retail value is $40. $40 for something that feels like it's going to fall apart. Treat your body to intense moisture and your nose to a pretty floral scent with this body cream. The magic combo, kupuaku butter and Abyssinian oil to soften and smooth roughness, plus notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water that linger on skin throughout the day. Tip: slather this body cream on damp skin. As soon as you hop out of the shower, it'll lock in the extra water for long-lasting hydration. That's kind of true of any lotion, but okay. Whatever you say. So that's that one. Next thing in here, we've got, sorry, my nose is a little tiny bit runny. I know, I'm gross, but I'm at home, it don't matter. The Galactic Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. This retails for $18 for this little thing. Forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need, plus an ultra glossy look is gorge on everyone. Tip: since this formula is super soft, we recommend only twisting lip balm up once or twice. This keeps it from getting stuck. Yeah, I read that after the fact. Little late now. May have accidentally smushed it a little, because you know me and my lip balms. But, it's stuck up. It's also grape. We know how I feel about grape. But I'm gonna try to use it anyway. So, there's that. But I can't believe it's $18 for that little thing. Better be like made of gold, you know? So this is the Tarte Tartist Double Take Eyeliner in black. And this retails for 24 bucks for one eyeliner. Craziness! To be honest, we love just one Tarte liner, but two, yep, Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel, oh, okay, that's why. Gel and liquid eyeliner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. Tip, cat eye noob, create your best line using the liquid liner first, and if it's bumpy, no big deal, glide the pencil right on top, then smudge it out with a brush to create a cool, smoky effect. Okay, let's look at this. That is interesting. I was gonna say, I assume this has to be the pencil end. Okay. And then, that liquid end, ooh. Check out that pointy point. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm into it. Can't wait to play with that. So we got that guy. We have the triple shot, the Chiate London triple shot extra extra large mascara. So this retails for 22 bucks, more than I would personally pay for mascara, but what can you do? On days and nights when you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. A few coats of the innovative fiber formula give even the teeniest lashes extreme volume, definition, and length without any annoying clumps or flakes. Tip, you'll need more than just water to take this stuff off at the end of the day. Yay, it's waterproof. Soak a cotton round in an oil-based makeup remover and gently sweep it over your lids until they're clean. Or, you know, micellar water, which I suppose is technically oil-based, but still. I just want to see the... Ooh, it's a chunky boy. Look at that. Oh, honey. Check that out. It's all tapered down to the tip. It's thinner than it is the... Oh, I like that already. I don't see that shape too often. That's... Okay. It's been so long since I've used one in that shape, I can't even remember if I like when they're that shape or not, but I am into trying it out to find out. And then finally, this was my pick of the month, by the way, is the Shayna B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for 20 bucks. Surprise, surprise, I would pick the eyeshadow palette. I always pick the eyeshadow palettes. So it does have a mirror in it, so I'm gonna cover it with the box so we don't blind you. It is not done justice on camera how shimmery and pretty the top row is. Like, that brown one kind of is, but they're all really shimmery, just it's not, well, I guess this one kind of is too, but it's not really picking up on camera. The four on the bottom are matte, the four on the top are shimmery. So we've got All Over Nude, Portal Princess, Everglade, Heat, Biscayne, Winwood, South Peach, and Cafecito. I like those names. Those are so cute. So let me put that back in here, and then I'll read you the little info blurb about it. Consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. Well, it's summer now, because I waited. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean that you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. And even though they're powders, they feel like creams. Think smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. Tip, for a sheer diffused wash of color, use a fluffy shadow brush to sweep these shadows over your lids. And that is everything that I got in my April 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed opening it and will definitely enjoy using all of these. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, my virtual tip jars donation link is down in the description too. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.